फेमस इंडियन राइटर शिव खेड़ा का एक कोट है, कामयाब लोग कुछ अलग काम नहीं करते, वो हर काम को अलग तरीके से करते हैं। तो जब भी आप लाइफ में कभी डिप्रेस्ड हो, डिमोटिवेटेड फील करें या किसी भी काम पे गिव अप करना चाहें, तो आप इस कोट को पढ़ते रहिए और तब तक पढ़िए जब तक आप उस काम को वापस रीस्टार्ट करने के बारे में ना सोचें। Hello, my name is Mahima. Today I will talk about some apps which are useful for government exam preparation. It doesn't matter for what exam you are preparing for. These apps are useful for SSC, banking, railway, CTET, for every exam. There are lots of apps available in Play Store, but most of them are providing video courses. So if you watch it online, it will feed your data, and they have very big size file, so it will feed your storage too. So the apps which I am going to suggest, these have PDF files, you can download it easy and you can read wherever you want to read, and when you have time to read, you can take test, you can download files, syllabus, you can get the notifications of government exams, everything you will get in one platform. So I will show you in my mobile screen.
To download the app, open the Play Store. Type here GK app. This app I am talking about. Download it. Then click on open. Here choose your language, then press continue. Okay, so this is the app. Here you can see you can attempt daily test, current affairs articles, current affairs quiz, everything is available here. So suppose you want to take daily test, I would like to take miscellaneous test. So here you can attempt the question from every subjects. Okay, so here GK test is available, word power test is available, weekly current affairs, English grammar test. Okay, so suppose you want to take GK test, click here, then start now. Okay, so as you can see, when you choose the wrong answer, it will show you the correct answer. What is the correct answer for the given question? So this is best part of this app. You do not need to look in Google for your question's answer. Here you get the answer of your question. Okay, so that you can complete your test. So when you submit the test, then it will give you your rank, how much you scored among all the students. I am not proceeding the test because it will take time. Okay, so next is current affairs articles. Here as you can see, you can read the current affairs articles from here. Quiz is also available. Government jobs, from here you can get the government jobs update. Okay, you can choose the category of job. If you want to look for bank job, you may click here. If you want to look for UPSC job, you can click here. Okay, so this is how you can look for job. So important notes, you can choose category here. So from here you can choose your subject and read the important notes for your required subject. So the best part of these notes is that you do not need to download the bulk size video file. It is just a small size file, or you can watch it online. Okay, so this is the best part of this application. Next is exam target questions. So here you can choose your exam, for which exam you are preparing for. Suppose you are preparing for bank exam, so you can choose here and you can give your test. So previous year's questions, here you may get the previous year's questions too. Okay, you need to log in. Okay, so from here you can, these are the previous year's questions. Okay, this is really useful app. In one platform you can get everything: previous year's question, notes, current affairs, English, GK, reasoning. So this one is Exam Master. So suppose if you are weak in one particular subject, so that you can choose your subject. Suppose if you are weak in English, so that you can choose this subject, and from here you can prepare for this particular subject. Okay, these are the NCERT notes available here, and NCERT books too. So easy learning. Here you may get GK tricks, maths tricks, English tips. Okay, so lots of things are available here. This one is PDF section. Okay, so you can download your notes in PDF format. This is the best part. It will feed less data and less storage in your phone. Okay, so this is the app. Let me show you another app. CTET. So one of my friend asked for CTET exam preparation app. So Shikha, if you are watching this video, this app is for you. This app, this is the best app for CTET exam preparation. So as you can see, here everything is available: current affairs, tricks and one linear tricks. Okay, PDF, exam papers, important PDFs for a particular topic. So okay, general science, social science, pedagogy, exam notice, everything is available here. Mathematics. Okay, so this is the notes, you can read. Best app. Very good app for CTET exam preparation. Okay, please comment how you liked these apps. Are these apps useful to you or not? Okay, so suppose if you are working and you want to prepare for exam, so suppose if you are weak in GK exam and you don't have time, so let me show you another app. Okay, so that you can do your work and listen your notes too. Okay, this is a audio apps and it's a really good app for GK. I'm installing the app. This is the way how you can install this app. Then open. Okay, so suppose you want to listen the book or biology audio. Okay, so biology part 1. Okay, so it's really nice. I mean, you can work and you can learn, both things you can do in one time. It's a really good app, and contents are also very useful for government exam preparation. They had covered almost every topics: geography, politics, everything is available here. So guys, please download these apps and reply in comment box how you liked these apps, whether these apps are useful to you or not. Okay, leave your precious comments. I leave the apps link in description box.
So guys, if you like my work, please do subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. Till then, bye bye, take care.